Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, hi guys. Thank you for having us. Jeff and I are very pleased to present our new community project, DeFiChain Promo, which is your easy to use one-stop platform which offers reusable high-quality posts and content. We also try to incentivize members who actively contribute valuable content to promote DeFiChain on social media. First of all, I would like to talk a little bit about the current situation when it comes to promoting DeFiChain on social media. Secondly, I will give you an insight into our main goals. After having discussed them, I will outline how we reach them, and afterwards, Jeff will give you a detailed insight into our website and the roadmap. Stay tuned because we have a small surprise at the very end of the presentation. So at the moment, we are currently confronted with the following problems on social media. So in our view, at least, we have quite a poor publicity, despite the existence of Telegram groups such as DeFighters and some active members. But I guess the project deserves much more publicity, especially on social media. The engagement rate is quite low because most people are just commenting with posts such as DeFi from DeFiChain instead of promoting a little bit more, such as you can earn high APIs and so on. So that's another problem. And there aren't any incentives for people who actively promote the DeFiChain on social media, or for people who provide valuable content to do so. So our main goals focus on tackling these problems. So we want to achieve with DeFiChain Promo better publicity as a result of being more active on different social media platforms such as Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and YouTube. We try to pursue higher engagement rates. We try to do it with high quality posts and graphical content, which is reusable and out of the box, so people don't have to think every time about, oh, what should I post, or where can I find valuable content or cool memes or pictures. And we also want to incentivize dedicated community members in the form of DFI tokens. We are planning to do a couple of different challenges, and after each challenge we would like to give away a couple of DFI tokens to the winners. So how do we reach these goals? To be honest, Jeff and I, we have been in contact for quite some time, and we had a couple of other ideas first. So DeFiChain Promo is, I would say, it's a combination of a couple of different mind. So we try to provide, as I already mentioned before, an easy-to-use one-stop platform for reusable, high-quality posts and content, which also incentivizes members who actively contribute valuable content to promote DeFiChain on social media. So we have been online for almost a week now, but keep in mind it's the first version and many cool features are yet to come, but Jeff will outline them in a couple of minutes. So at the moment we offer Twitter quick tips because writing good posts is a little bit like art. So we try to help you and hope that you can, or that we can bring you to more success. We offer at the moment Twitter template tweets. You can pick your favorite tweet to promote DeFiChain, or you can also submit cool content which you think is worth spreading on social media. And then for the very lazy people, we have a random content generator, so it takes you a couple of seconds for promoting DeFiChain on social media effectively. And last but not least, we offer a who to follow or show some love section, where, I mean, it's especially helpful for people who are new to the cryptocurrency space, so they know where they can get helpful information about cryptocurrencies and so on. So yeah, that's from my side. So Jeff would give you an insight into our website. So I stop sharing my screen now. I hope it works.
Yes, Christian, thank you very much for your presentation. A few words about me. My name is Jeff, and some of you may know me from Telegram or from Twitter. I've been working with Christian for a couple of weeks now on DeFiChainPromo.com, and we are really happy to present you today this DeFi family project where we all can work together to create something with impact, something big. So DeFiChain Promo. Let me just share my screen real quick. And here we go. That is DeFiChainPromo.com. Well, I'm going to show you guys what you can actually do on this website. So let's jump right into it, okay? Here at the start page, we can see what our main goal is. You want to promote the DeFi chain, we support you in doing so. We do that by simplifying a lot of processes, which you will see in a minute. Up here in the navigation, you can see the different types of social media platforms we will support, as well as the media sections for memes or DeFi chain related videos. As of now, only the Twitter section is implemented and live. The like DFI button on the top right side brings you directly to Twitter and searches for at DeFiChain, so you can start interacting right away without the hassle of searching for something. So when I click this button, I automatically search for DeFiChain and I can contribute by just like the latest DeFiChain related tweets. Easy as it is. Well, when you scroll down onto the web page, first of all, you can see how many submissions we already have in form of tweets, in form of Reddit posts, in form of YouTube comments, and in form of Facebook posts. But a really important thing is the quick tips section, because like Christian mentioned a few minutes ago, it's really hard to write a good post. It's really hard to write a good tweet. So we have 8 super useful quick tips for you, which I encourage you all to read if you want to do a great Twitter posts or great posts in general. So we've got you covered here. Just read through it and you will be a Twitter god after reading these 8 helpful tips. Good, but okay, let's hop onto the main part, Twitter. Social media posts, Twitter, here we go. And as you can see, we have multiple possibilities just in the top section. You can either browse a list of ready-to-go tweets. These are tweets from DeFiChain community members who submitted them over the social media post submit post button. And you can simply copy a tweet, go to Twitter, and paste it wherever you want it to paste, and boom, you are done. Easy as it is. Or if that's too stressful for you, you can simply click the tweet button and it automatically makes a tweet for you, and you just hit the tweet button and it automatically publishes it to your timeline just with one click. So there's no hassle for you to think of, what can I write? What should I write? What is a good tweet? You just can take one of our predefined templates, copy them to respond to someone, or tweet just by yourself. That's the first button. If that's too stressful for you either, we have an even more easier way to promote the DeFi chain. Once you are on this Twitter page, you can easily click the random post button, and the system itself decides for you which tweet is suitable to tweet for you. So I simply go to this page. I want to promote the DeFi chain, and I click on random post. Twitter opens, and I do a DeFi chain related tweet out of the box, completely automated, just with one click. Yes. And down here, for the people who are new in the crypto space, or for people who are new to DeFiChain, especially, we have a few Twitter accounts you might want to follow when interacting with the DeFiChain. These are all people who have something to do with DeFiChain in general. You can just follow them. Some of them are working on community projects. Yeah, just a list of DeFiChain related people, and a bit more down here, a list of crypto related people you might want to follow or get into. Yeah, exactly. And down here, the third button is our quick reply button. Yeah, this quick reply button really brings so much value to the entire DeFiChain ecosystem when used correctly. Because when you click the quick reply button, a tweet automatically is getting shown, and you can pick an answer right away. So on the right side is a tweet a community member handed in, and on the left side are the tweets you can answer with. So in this case, someone of the community handed in this post and said, hey guys, it would be cool if we could make a bit of DeFiChain promotion by answering this tweet. Just spam or comment or let this guy know that DeFiChain exists. So you simply open this page, you can pick an answer, show me your small MC altcoin shitcoins, whatever, and I pick yes. At the moment, I'm earning more than 100% on my DFI with a DeFiChain liquidity mining. Answer is this, and we automatically post an answer to this specific tweet with the template I've just chosen, and I can reply, and we are done. And we can continue doing so, load another. Which undervalued altcoins are you looking at? And post an answer, load another, post an answer, load another, post an answer. And this game goes on like forever. Yeah. So this is a really easy way to promote the DeFi chain. If you've just got 2 minutes of spare time and yeah, you have nothing more to do than just click a button. Yeah, you don't have to think about what you can write, what you should write. You don't even have to write. You just have to click a button. It's super easy, super fun, and yeah, if we're all working together as a community, as a DeFi family, we can make this project growing so drastically. We are going to push this project to the moon by just using this simple tool. It's so easy. Yeah. You may asking, the tweets on the right side, where do they come from? How does the system know which tweet is relevant or which tweet should be displayed? It's really easy. If you're browsing Twitter and you find a tweet which may be useful, where you think, this is a tweet where you could make some DeFiChain promo, just click at the tweet, copy the ID up here, and enter it in the browser URL and enter. Now the tweet is getting loaded on the right side, and once this tweet got at least one answer, it's automatically getting pushed to the database. Well, I've got a message.
Yeah, that's from me, sorry.
Yeah, okay. Good. Yeah, as you can see, as more people use the service, as more people submit new posts, as more people add new posts to the quick reply function, the more impact it will have to the DeFi chain. And used properly, this project adds so much value to the entire DeFi chain ecosystem. Yeah, so let's have a quick look at what to come next. This is our go live phase 1, which published last week. The next step is the go live of phase 2 with the extension of graphical content, pictures, video, and memes, like mentioned earlier, and the extension for Reddit, YouTube, and Facebook. Also, the ranking system in version 1 is up yet. It's already live. You can see it on the webpage if you go to DeFiChainPromo.com. And a REST API version 1 for a developer who wants to interact or integrate with our system, our tweets. Yeah, and the third phase, the third go-live phase, is the implementation of incentives. This depends, of course, on the result of the upcoming DFIPs. If you guys want to have incentives in form of promoting the DeFi chain with ranking system V2. With that being said, Christian do have a little surprise for you. So I hand over to him again. And thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you, Jeff. So it will take just a couple of... So as you can see, the more tweets available on our webpage, the more valuable the whole project becomes. And that's why we decided we need a Twitter Handin challenge in order to have a lot of content available for you, the community, to promote DeFiChain. So the goal is to collect valuable content for the promotion of DeFiChain within a short period of time. The Twitter Handin challenge will start tomorrow in the evening and will last for 1 week. And we decided to, the people who hand in good posts, we decide whether the posts are good or not, and we have a couple of guidelines and criterias. And we decided that the people who contribute the most and the best tweets should get a prize. And yeah, the first rank gets 30 DFI, the second rank 20 DFI, and the third rank 10 DFI. So that's our plan, in order to have a lot of good content available on our website. So I would say that's it. Any questions or?
Right. Thanks, Christian and Jeff, for the presentation. Amazing website. I have also used it in the past. There were 2 questions. I think it was, so from the pick, I think it was David Lin asked if you have planned to integrate LinkedIn as a platform on your webpage.
Not yet, no.
But we may do it. I mean, yeah, that's maybe a good idea. Why not? Yeah.
Okay, just
I mean,
think over it. You have not to hurry. Just for the future.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Of course.
And there was a second question: if Twitter isn't checking if the same text is posted again and again, so if there's an algorithm or something like that, which makes it not possible for a web page to post it again or something like that.
It's not implemented so far, but we have a possibility in the quick reply page. You can see how often our provided tweets were mentioned in this tweet. So does this answer your question, or yeah?
Always some random phrase selections to it. I think that the question was how will you do it in future that it looks more like a human than a bot? And I think your contest is the right way. We have to provide the content to your page, and the more content there is, the easier it is for us user to select the answer which was not posted 10 times before.
And
Yes,
which
that's
is
exactly
suitable.
true, yeah.
Exactly.
I think that's the idea. So we have to put the content on your webpage. Everyone should use it if we have some time, and then let's Twitter know what DeFiChain is.
We just provide a platform, and it highly depends on your on your work as well. We just provide the platform if you want so.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I also posted the link to the Telegram channel of the DeFichers. Join us if you want to help. It's super easy just to answer a little bit on Twitter. It's not needed to create new content for all the guys which have never used Twitter. So I had the same problem 1 year ago where I have never used Twitter. You can learn it. It's possible. And this is platform super easy.
And DeFiChain promo will help you.
Right.
Exactly. And we are looking forward to the challenge starting tomorrow.